Good morning. Let's start our morning with some smoothie. Our body, mind, everything runs on glucose. You see here, I put as many bananas I want. I don't count them. I just make sure that I put enough. I think here I'm putting 7. Sometimes I put more. It all depends how hungry I am, how much I crave, but I never restrict. I'm always, making sure that I eat enough. Even if I'm not that hungry, I always make sure that I get adequate calories in because I know where it leads. Often when we don't eat enough during the day, we want something in the evenings. And this is what I see overall in today's society, that girls really restrict carbs, especially girls. I don't know about boys that much. I think overall the society concentrates more on proteins, but this is not the case. We are so afraid of carbs these days, sugars that are mainly our main fuel, and this doesn't make sense that we restrict the carbs and then put all these nut butters in our smoothies, protein powders, everything that body has so much more harder time to digest, to move around in the body. It makes insulin problems, it makes you more insulin resistant if you mix carbs with fats and proteins. So here you can see that I just do full carb smoothie. I don't put any nut butters there, any protein powders. I just put as many bananas as I like. I put water, mango. I put extra sugar. I'm not afraid of sugar. It makes my fruit even sweeter. Especially I'm using here frozen mangoes. Bananas that are imported, they are not grown here under the sun, so I need some extra sweetness to my fruit so I can do it sustainably, this lifestyle. So I don't have cravings in the evening, so I don't have these extreme thoughts about food. I'm always making sure that I'm carving up. I've done this 5 years already. This comes easy for me already, but there's definitely, when you're starting this lifestyle out, you need to understand that where are you coming from. Your body has gone through maybe a lot of dieting, restrictions, a lot of processed foods. This all leads to insulin resistance eventually, and coming to more fruit diet, putting a lot of sugars in your diet, cutting the fat super low. It takes time for the body to clean out and start, working properly. It takes years and years. I have already so many improvements. I healed my psoriasis. I healed my severe acne in my face. I healed my severe painful bloating. My weight is stabilizing more and more, and this is just gives me so much energy and feeling so good. Let's try my blue smoothie today. Yeah, you can't really taste the blue spirulina. It's like bananas and mango at the same. My favorite that I do every day, just blue color gives this extra something, that it's a little bit different today. Bananas are such a good satiety food, and they are such a good weight loss food, such a good bloating, healing food. I think they are our species' primary fuel. They are calorie dense and they give this satisfaction because these hydrating fruits like watermelon and melons, some berries, they are very good, and I have them in my diet a lot as well, but they consist a little bit less calories, and you need to eat a lot more volume to get actual calories. Otherwise it can happen, you're eating all day watermelon, but you don't get enough calories, and then in the evening you start to crave some more calorie dense foods. This is how it usually goes. So concentrate more on calorie dense foods, even in the morning, lunch, evening as well. The evening shouldn't be only salad as well. Ideally we should put some fruit in the evening as well, but if you crave something salty, then absolutely include some potatoes, rice, whatever keeps you satisfied. And also watermelon and melons and fruits who don't have so much density in them, they lack of fiber as well. So if you only eat watermelon, you can see that you're getting constipated. I used to do I did a 10-day watermelon fast, and actually I got really constipated. It wasn't pleasant at all. I felt so good, but it's just my digestion didn't went through as it should go. Bananas, I have found, are the best digestive food. Of course, potatoes as well. They kind of push everything down. So, you need this bulk, you need this fiber. Don't forget this. Like, it's so easy to go to this clear mindset that, my body is so clear and I don't need to eat enough. Like, I can just survive on watermelon. But actually, no, we need some actual calories and density for a long-term success. Don't forget, you want long-term success, not right now, this quick weight loss, which comes from your muscles, from your water maybe, and yeah, we don't want to lose our muscle mass, we want to lose fat. So, and bananas are excellent fat loss food.
Isn't the best place to stock a lover.
How much bananas you have here?
Well, let's deconstruct this smoothie to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then there's some mango here as well. You gotta fill it up, otherwise it doesn't work.
And what did you say about bananas?
That there's a difference between a banana and a banana. I mean, these are tiny.
Yeah.
So if someone says that they eat 10 bananas, then what kind of bananas?
Yeah, it can equal to 5 bananas.
Yeah, because I can put big bananas, like 8 bananas in the same amount.
And this is your breakfast?
Yeah, I already had some sugary drink before. But yeah, now I'm just filling it up. And as you can see, I should probably put 2 more. So how many did we have? 13?
13.
Yeah, so let's put 2 more bananas.
Why this big banana smoothie for breakfast?
Because it keeps me full and it gives me energy. And I feel that like this size is pretty much what I can eat for one meal, and it also feels like I have enough. If I put less, then it's kind of like I eat it and then I'm like, I want more.
Fruit goes super quickly through our digestive system.
See, now it's full with 15 bananas.
Yeah. And it also don't leave you brain fogged, you have the pure energy, not feeling tired and fatigued after eating.
Yeah. But you have to make sure that they're ripe bananas, because otherwise you have this big bloaty belly after that.
Yeah. Show me a ripe banana.
Well, this is,
this is
on the edge, This is where it should be even more.
I actually ate yesterday these kind of bananas, and I got super bloated because they're not that ripe yet. So definitely be mindful with that. It's still a little bit green on the top. So this is not perfectly ripe
yet. This is not optimal.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what comes. There you have it.
Oh, so creamy. Wow. You drinking straight from the can?
Yeah. Unless Relika needs to use this.
Yeah.
And then I have, let me show you. Then I have this.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty, but
yeah.
Kind of fits. Sometimes it doesn't fit here, so I need to drink a bit before I fit the whole thing.
Nice.
Yeah, and I just chugged this down basically.
For lunch, what you're going to have?
Depends. Like sometimes I have the same thing, If my digestion is not the best, I might chop the bananas instead and put like a sauce on it. Because if you make a smoothie, it traps a lot of air in it. Like you can see those air bubbles here as well. And sometimes it doesn't bother me, but sometimes it bothers me more. I'm not sure what's the difference. It also depends what I ate the last day. So if the last day my digestion was good, then if I have this air bubbles, then it just comes up as a burp or something, or as a
Gas.
or as a gas. But if you have something there like stopping the gas from coming out, that's when you get this bloating and stuff.
Do you ever have cooked lunch?
Sometimes, but I prefer not to. Yeah, I mean, this feels best to have fruit. Sometimes I might do just sweet potato for lunch. Then I actually feel fine. Like I just sweet potato, maybe some avocado. I don't know. Like just if I keep it super simple, then I feel fine. But if I start putting all kinds of other things, then it's not good.
What kind of other things?
Well, if I make it more fatty, if I have some hummus or something, or if I have like a lot of like soy sauce or something like that, or
sometimes mock meat. You try this vegan.
I mean, I prefer tofu if I have this kind of stuff. Like if I have mock meat, it's very, 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 very rare. But I do have tofu from time to time.
Yeah. It's okay to have some tofu here and there, but still the main focus should be on carbohydrates.
You gotta drink this quick because it starts to oxidize, and then it's not so nice anymore. It's the best when you first blend it.
And as I don't trust the bananas right now, I made a huge date shake. It's like 25 dates here, and it's a nice option to have. Yummy! Look at this. I came for a bike ride, and I just need to go to buy something, and I was thinking, let's go with the bike because it's so much warmer days already, and I'm so excited to bike already, and I'm even hot, I have to thick jacket on, but I'm still enjoying it so much. But I just wanted to say that as well, that we have a car, but I rarely use it. I only use the car when I need to buy a big box of bananas or something bigger, groceries. But we don't have like very proper store near us as well, so we mostly walk there. But mostly I walk, I bike, I use my legs to move, and this is the main health key. I've always done that, always, even when I work like 20 kilometers further than my home, I still bike to my work. So this is just when you don't have time to work out, to move, just get your bike or buy some. You don't need to buy expensive bike at first, just get something and go and move, especially in the summer. Oh my god, it's so nice. Usually I go to the beach with my bike or wherever I need to go. But you need a helmet. I need a helmet. I don't have a helmet and I really need to buy it. Yeah, this is so important. I actually bought this juice and it doesn't open.
Sweet love, you give me nothing but sweet love. Sweet love, You give me nothing but sweet love. I just got a deal from
It's granadil. It's super sweet, so it's nice.